Hi everyone, Gil here, Gray Man Prepping. Well, I got another unboxing here for the kitchen, and this is for canning. So it came in a nice big box. Wow. Let me get it in my pocket here and pull out my utility knife here. Let's see how this one's packed. Oh, wow. Got a lot of packing in here for what the items that are in here, so just tossed in on top of the two items that are in here. One is a 2-cup ladle. I'll explain that one in a second. The other one, just pull it out, and I'm gonna, time to get rid of the box. Okay, so this one here, let me grab something over here. So if you've been watching the canning videos I've been doing, this is what I've been using to mash the hamburger up, break it, and mix in the seasoning stuff into it. Okay, now, there we go. Got to find what it is taped together. So a little bit more intense than your normal mashed potato masher, and it's a does a little bit bigger area too. So yeah, so I got this, and it's steel, and it's not this black stuff here. Which thing I found out about this stuff is most of this stuff is made from recycled materials. And there's a lot of recycled electronics in it, which have a fire retardant in it, or fire chemicals in it. And it can leach out of these into the food. So this is probably going to get tossed here when the wife gets here. But I'm not going to be using it anymore, personally. So I got this. And so this will work great for mashing the meat and doing stuff like that. This, if you are watching the canning videos, where's the opening on? Oh, they stapled this one. Going old school. Not tape, staples. Open here so I can get it out here to show you guys. There we go. So this is a stainless steel, if you prefer that view, 2-cup ladle. And so when I was doing when I was filling the jars with some broth, I had the little itty bitty one here. Yeah, big difference, big difference, teaspoon, big one. And so I'll be able to ladle out broth to add to the meats and stuff. Or when I start doing water bath canning and I need to add boiling water to the canning, I can have on the one burner here, I can have water just boiling away. And when the other starts getting a little low, I can just put it in there for a second, let this come up to temperature. So it's at the same temperature of the water. I can bring out the boiling water and add it to the pot that has the jars in it that I'm water bath canning. So these two items here are going to help me out a lot and food preservation. And so I will try to remember to put the links for these down in the description. If you, when you check the video, if you don't see the links immediately in the description, in your comment put, where's the link? And I will put the link in the description. I'll put the link into as a reply to you as well. And I'll probably post the link in and pin it as the first comment in the description as well. So just remind me, and I'm more than happy to share the links. I do not have an Amazon affiliate in any way, shape, or form, so I don't get anything if you get these or not. So, all right. So remember, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps. Water, food, do plenty of canning. medicines, clothing. Learn a new skill every month. And if you don't know how to can, that's a skill you need to learn. All right? And get your indoor garden going. All right? See you around.